Hey guys, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today you are gonna watch how to link your offline paper based work permit application online. So here we go. Okay, first of all, visit to www.canada.ca, then go to English, then go to this immigration and citizenship. Next we have to click under most requested on sign in or create an account to apply online. First of all, we need to create our account. For this we need to register. Okay, then sign up. Okay, here we need to create a username, so you can select as per your choice. Then continue. Okay, here it is saying username must be of 8 to 16 character in length. Now here we have to create our password. Now we have to select some recovery questions. Then continue. So it will be our username. So these are some general info as per our passport. Okay, now we have to set 4 security questions for these questions, like Okay, so this is the page where we can link our offline application or paper based application. So we need to click over here, then we need to select the category. So I fall under temporary residence, then the subcategory, so for my work permit and extension, and for visitor record just you need to click on visitor record. Then here these are the 4 options. From this I can select UCI and family name. Here I need to enter my UCI number, my family name. These are not compulsory. Then this is the applicant's personal info. Under this, passport, place of birth. So you can select any. Under passport you need to fill these information, and for place of birth you need to fill these two. But I think for city or town of birth you need to fill as it is, which is given in your passport. So I think better to select passport. Then what type of work permit are you applying for? My means open or closed, like employer specific. So for employer specific you need to give all the details, like here you need to fill your employment number or LMIA, employer name, intended occupation, province. These 2 dates are really very important. Just make sure the dates you have entered are correct, or you can find those exact dates from the work permit application form. So just fill it and then go to search for my application. Then you'll get your application and directly you will be able to link your application online. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.